Hi guys, welcome to the third lecture of Module 6 of Revit Architecture. In this lecture we'll be making uh, wall panels, curtain wall panels. Select the curtain wall here, then select second level. Now I'll make a curtain wall here of 10 meter. I'll go to the 3D view. Now I'll assign some grids here, curtain grids. I'll draw this randomly now, then later I'll make it equally spaced. I'll go to the south view here, and then I'll go to the linear dimension tool here, and then select each of the column grids here, and then you can see that these are not equally spaced. So there is an option here, EQ. Just click on that, then you can see that all the curtain grids are equally spaced. Then you just need to press escape. Just escape and then just delete this. Just delete it. Then you'll get some option here. Then it states. Then click on OK here. OK. Don't press on unconstrained here. Press OK here, and then yeah. So this is how you make them equally spaced. So now I need to make some horizontal curtain grids as well. So I click on the curtain grids here, and then I place one here. So as we need to make one wall door, then I need this as 1 meter. Yeah, so as you notice that this EQ is on, so that's why all the dimensions are equally spaced to 1 meter. So I press undo and go back to that, and then if I need to delete this, yeah, I have deleted that grid line. Now I'll go to the 3D view to place the wall section, to place the wall door here. So you can't just place any kind of door, like these doors I can't place it here M flush. So to wall place some doors here, you need to import some special types of door, which you need to go on insert and then load family, and then go to the libraries, and then India, then you go to door option here, and then you can't place any of these door here, not these kind of door also, but you need to search for some curtain doors which are available. So this, you can place this door, this as well, and this as well. So this, as we have not placed any mullins on the grids here, curtain grids, so we'll go with the one with the mullins here, and then I'll click on open. Yeah, so I have imported the family now. I have imported the family. So now to place this family, I just need to click on, move the mouse pointer here to the door opening, this curtain, this section, and just press on tab. And then this whole, yeah, I just need to come, make the mouse close to the edge of the curtain here, and then press tab, and just don't move your mouse, just click on that, and then see this gets selected, this section gets selected, and then you just need to change this to, you can see this family which is loaded here, most recently used. Yeah, So click on that, and then you can see this is how the door has been placed, curtain doors. So this is how you place the door. I'll show this once again. You just need to make sure that you don't move your mouse pointer. Click on tab, and then you can see this panels get selected, and then press left click, and then this gets selected, and then you can place the curtain wall here. Yeah, so this is how you place wall front on the curtain grids. You can't place regular walls, which is architecture walls here, M type. Any types of walls you can't place here because this is a curtain wall, so you can't place these types of door. So you just need to go to insert, and then load family, and then select these curtain doors which are available here, and then import it, and then place it here. So this is how you place curtain wall panel.